Are you over 40? Or maybe you've already crossed the 50-year mark? If you're noticing that your joints feel stiffer, your balance isn't what it used to be, or you're just feeling slower, you are not alone. But here's the truth that 99% of people ignore until it's too late. After the age of 40, your body begins a rapid process of muscle and bone density loss. If you don't intervene now, the damage can become permanent. Today, we're looking at the 5 science-backed exercises you must start doing today. These aren't about getting shredded at the gym. These are about rebuilding your foundation, fixing 95% of your mobility problems, and ensuring you stay strong for the next 30 years. Best of all, no gym, no weights, and just results. Exercise 1. The wall sit. The bone density secret. Most people think you need heavy squats to build leg strength. Science says otherwise. Recent studies on isometric holds show they are one of the most effective ways to rebuild strength after 50 without risking your knees. I did wall sits every day for 100 days, and the results were shocking. By holding this position, you are engaging your quads, glutes, and core simultaneously. It stabilizes the knee joint and builds functional tension. How to do it? Lean against a flat wall, slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor, and hold. Start with 30 seconds. This is the foundation for rebuilding your body from the ground up. Exercise 2. The horse stance. Ancient Shaolin wisdom. Number 2 is a move used by Japanese elders and Shaolin monks for centuries to maintain youthfulness, the horse stance. While it looks simple, this is the ultimate anti-aging exercise. It opens the hips, strengthens the pelvic floor, and reinforces the lower back. Most of our mobility problems come from stagnant hips caused by sitting all day. The horse stance fixes 95% of that stiffness. How to do it? Take a wide stance, toes pointed slightly out, and sink your hips. Keep your back straight. It's boring, but it works. If you can hold this for 2 minutes, your biological age is likely much younger than your chronological one. Exercise 3. The resting squat, the natural reset. If you look at Japanese elders, they stay mobile well into their 90s. Their secret, the resting squat. In the West, we've lost the ability to squat deeply. This leads to back pain and dead glutes. Science shows that spending just 5 minutes a day in a deep squat can completely change the human body. It improves digestion, ankle mobility, and spine alignment. How to do it? Simply drop into a deep squat with your heels on the ground. Use a chair for support if you need to. This is the overlooked exercise that changes everything after 50. Exercise 4. The plank, core foundation. You've heard of the plank, but are you doing it for the right reasons? After 40, your core isn't just about abs. It's about protecting your spine from injury. I did a 2-minute plank every day, and here is the honest truth. It stopped my lower back pain entirely. Science backs this up. A stable core is the #1 predictor of longevity and independent living as we age. How to do it? Elbows under shoulders, body in a straight line. Don't let your hips sag. If you can't do a full plank, start on your knees. Just do it before it's too late. Exercise 5. The farmer's walk, the everything move. Why is this science-backed? Because it tests your grip strength. Science shows that grip strength is directly correlated with heart health and overall lifespan. Carrying a load while walking forces every muscle in your body to stabilize. How to do it? Grab 2 heavy objects, milk jugs, bags, or weights. Stand tall, shoulders back, and walk for 60 seconds. It's a doctor-approved way to transform your body after 50. These 5 exercises require no gym, but they require consistency. If you don't start now, you'll regret ignoring them in 10 years. Choose one of these today, just one. Do it for 1 minute.